Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platforms, which is ExpressVPN and Bitdefender VPN. So to get started with the quick analysis, ExpressVPN remains a top-tier choice for users who want high-speed connections, reliable access to streaming platform, and a strong privacy protection. It has a strict no-log policy, advanced security features like RAM on the servers, and a global network across 90 plus countries. Its apps are easy to use, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced VPN users. Talking about Bitdefender VPN, on the other hand, has a backed by a represented cybersecurity company. It's more basic, it offers a good speed and a solid encryption, but lack advanced features like split tunneling or broad server coverage. It's best suited for casual users who want a simple VPN as part of Bitdefender's larger security suite, rather than a full-featured standalone VPN. And here's the overall conclusion. So, ExpressVPN is better choice for privacy, streaming, and a global access in 2025, while Bitdefender VPN works fine for light, everyday use, especially if you already use a Bitdefender product, but it doesn't match ExpressVPN power or flexibility. And that's it.